Sanjay and Craig.
Dear Sanjay and Craig, I like your show a lot.
My favorite character is Hector. I like when you go on adventures.
You make me laugh a lot. Your friend, Danny.
Show Danny's artwork.
Danny did some phenomenal drawings of Sanjay. We got Craig right there. And then world famous Hector.
What I like about this one is he wrote it to Sanjay and Craig.
Oh my goodness.
I love when kids identify so much with the characters that they think they're real.
Dear Nickelodeon Animation Studios,
my name is Solomon, and this letter is for the producers/animators of the show Sanjay and Craig.
I love the show so much, I wanted to make a character of my own.
The character's name is Joe Burnham, and he loves skateboarding, hot wings, and on another note, he's very rebellious.
He did a whole character turnaround. Look at
He's
this.
got normal right side, left side, special poses that we normally call out.
it's really cool that he did a turnaround too, and he's even got expressions in there too.
Another thing, if you can get, what?
Bill...
Fagerbach, eh?
Fagerbacky?
Fagerbach?
Foggerbaki.
If we can get Bill Fagerbaki to be the voice actor for Joe, then Joe Burnham's character would be perfect.
I agree.
And that's Patrick's voice.
Okay.
Okay. Very deep, low voice for such a young character.
This drawing comes from Ashlyn of Craig. Wonderful.
And he's going,
And Sanjay on the back. And I guess there's a fold in it, so maybe it was really supposed to be a card for us.
I think he's adorable. And I think he is looking very excited.
PhotoFox5000 from Instagram.
This has to be Nickelodeon's best work in I don't know how long. This has to be Nickelodeon's best work in I don't know how long.
This has to be Nickelodeon's best work, and I don't know how long.
This has to be Nickelodeon's best work in I don't know how long.
This
Has
to
be
Nickelodeon's
best
work
in
I
don't
know
how
long.
Nickelodeon.